Today we talk about how to fix issues in adding Chime Card to Apple Pay. In case you encounter difficulties while attempting to add your Chime debit card to Apple Pay and receive an error message like couldn't add card, try again later. The following troubleshooting method may be useful to diagnose whether the issue is specific to your Chime card or related to Apple Pay setting. You can try using Apple Pay with another card. First, if the issue seems to be of Chime card. 1. Ensure that your Chime card is not disabled or unactivated in the Chime app. To do this, you can verify whether the card is functioning correctly outside of Apple Pay. Open the setting, choose the card and switch on the Allow Transaction option if it's currently turned off. 2. Attempt to resolve the issue by removing your Chime card from Apple Wallet and then re-adding it. 3. If the issue persists, contact the Chime support team for assistance. Second, if the issue seems to be for Apple Pay. 1. Check if you are using the latest version of Apple iOS. 2. To use Apple Pay, ensure that your iPhone region is set correctly. It should be set to one of the countries that support Apple Pay. To check this, open the setting app on your phone and select General, then Language Region. From there, verify that the Country Region option is set to the United States or any other supported country. 3. Another possible solution to go off Apple Cash and then turn it back on after 3 seconds. To do this, go to the Setting app on your iPhone, select Wallet and Apple Pay and toggle off the Apple Cash option. Wait for 30 seconds before turning it back on. For another diagnosis you can try is sign out of iCloud and sign back in.